Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with 16 million HDR10 support, more stunning and bright, 19.5 by 9 screen ratio and full HD plus resolutions. There will be IP68 dust, waterproof and Corning Gorilla Glass 6 for screen protection. Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with 10GB or 12GB of RAM. This phone have 256GB or 512GB of internal storage that can be expandable 1TB SD card. This phone have Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and Adreno 640 with liquid cooling technology. Redmi Note 10 Pro have 32 megapixel pop-up front camera with video calling features and 108 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel quad back camera on the rear, HDR mode with 4K video recording option and 20x optical zoom. Redmi Note 10 Pro runs on Android 10.0 operating system with must-be update and powered by 5000 MHz non-removable fast charging battery capacity. Redmi Note 10 Pro have dual SIM except the Nano SIM and 3.5mm headphone jack with active noise cancellation, dedicated mic. Include Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C 4G and 5G connectivity option and include pin, pattern, face unlock and fingerprint sensor. This phone have black, white, gold colors. Redmi Note 10 Pro expected price 25,000 rupee and $350. This smartphone will be launched first quarter in 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please text the comment below. The all of information collect from Google or kind of website. I am not 100% sure for this concept. Please don't bother. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay with us.